Hi there, welcome to Moorpark City Library. My name is Carol, and today we are making a washi tape journal and pencil. So we're going to start by sharing what you'll find in your little craft kit. And it comes with instructions and ideas on the back for different designs. You will also receive a couple sheets of blank paper, a composition book to cover, washi tape, and a pencil. Now, to begin with, you are going to want to cover this nice bright cover that's already on there with white paper so that your tape will stand out better, because the tape is a little bit transparent and will show the bright cover through it without the white paper. So we'll just put a little bit of glue on your paper. You're going to just kind of line it up around the edges. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect, but that's the way it's going to look. To get started, you are going to decide on a design. And for me, I decided to use vertical lines on the front cover, which are lines that go up and down. On my back cover, I chose to do horizontal lines that go left to right or right to left, depending on your perspective. And I also did a couple vertical lines on the side just for added measure for my design. You can also do diagonal lines that are more of a slopey line. So let's get started with a little bit of tape. Again, you cover up your bright cover with just a white piece of paper, and you can pick some tape, and we're going to just show you quickly a little start here, and you just run it along. I'm going vertically at this point, but again, if you wanted to do horizontal, you could do horizontal. It's all your choice. And it does rip easily, so you don't have to use scissors, but you're welcome to use scissors for a straighter edge. And we'll just put a little more color on here so you can have an idea of how it's working out. And again, take your time, enjoy the design, and so it's starting to look something like that. In the end, or the next step, you're going to see that there's a little bit more happening and your design starting to take effect, and it will bring you to a complete cover on both sides. And once you do that, you can decorate a pencil. Your pencil will start blank like this, and all you need to do is pick out the tape you would like. You're going to take the tape and line it up. You want to line it up where the metal part meets the wood part of the pencil, and you're just going to hold it down with one finger and roll it along towards the end. Again, you could just rip it quickly. So it's like that. And then you just want to push it down, smooth it out a little bit. And it's okay that there's extra at the end, because we can cut that off at the end. And then we are going to also do that a second time, because there is the second half of the pencil to cover. It's a real quick, simple little step. And let me grab a little bit more tape. Oh, I'm not always as good at peeling tape as other people, so I apologize as I find my beginning. Oh, let me grab this. We'll grab it off of this. It's the same tape. So here we go. We roll it down. And just a quick tear. And we smooth it out. And then this is where scissors can come in handy, because you can just take a quick little trim. And there you have a decorated pencil that you can sharpen and use to go with your washi tape journal. And enjoy. I hope you enjoy making a washi tape journal, and we will see you next time at the Moorpark City Library. Have a great day.